Hello viewers, welcome to my new video. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about what is cryptocurrency and advantage and disadvantage of cryptocurrency. So if you're new here, please subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon. So first of all, what is cryptocurrency? A cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that is secured by cryptography, which makes it nearly impossible to counterfeit or double spend. Many cryptocurrencies are decentralized networks based on blockchain technology, a distributed ledger enforced by a disparate network of cryptocurrency. A defining feature of cryptocurrencies is that they are generally not issued by any central authority, rendering them theoretically immune to government interference or manipulation. So, what is the advantage and disadvantage of cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency were introduced with the intent to revolutionize financial infrastructure. As with every revolution, however, there are trade-offs involved. At the current stage of development for cryptocurrencies, there are many differences between the theoretical ideal of a decentralized system with cryptocurrency and its practical implementation. Some advantage and disadvantage of cryptocurrency are as follows. So, what is the disadvantage of cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrencies represent a new, decentralized paradigm for money. In this system, centralized intermediaries, chances banks, and monetary institutions are not necessary to enforce trust and foolish transaction between two parties. Thus, a system with cryptocurrency eliminates the possibility of a single point of failure, such as a large bank, setting off a cascade of crises around the world, such as the one that was triggered in 2008 by the failure of institutions in the United States. Cryptocurrencies promise to make it easier to transfer funds directly between two parties, with the need for a trusted third party like a bank or a credit card company. Chance decentralized transfer are secured by the use of public key and private keys, and different form of incentive systems, chances proof of works or proof of stake, because they do not use third-party intermediaries. Cryptocurrency transfer between two transacting parties are faster as compared to standard money transfer. Flash loans in decentralized finance are a good example of chance decentralized transfer. These loans, which are processed without banking collateral, can be executed within seconds and are used in trading. Cryptocurrency investments can generate profits. Cryptocurrency markets have skyrocketed in value for the past decade, at one point reaching almost $2 trillion. As of 2022, Bitcoin was valued at more than $515 billion in crypto markets. The remittance economy is testing one of cryptocurrency's most prominent use cases. Currently, cryptocurrencies charges Bitcoin's serves as intermediate currency to streamline money transfer across borders. Thus, a flag currency is converted to Bitcoin or another cryptocurrencies, transfers across border and subsequently converted to the destination flight currency. This method streamlines the money transfer process and makes it cheaper. So, what is the disadvantage of cryptocurrency? Though they claim to be an anonymous form of transaction, cryptocurrencies are actually pseudonymous. They leave a digital trail that agencies such as the Federal Bureau of Investigations can disappear. This opens up possibilities of governments or federal authorities tracking the financial transactions of ordinary citizens. Cryptocurrencies have become a popular tool with criminals for nefarious activities such as money laundering and illicit purchase. The case of Jet Garrett Roberts, who ran a marketplace to sell drugs on the dark web, is already well known. Cryptocurrencies have also become a favorite of hackers who use them for ransomware activities. In theory, cryptocurrencies are meant to be decentralized, their wealth distributed between many parties on a blockchain. In reality, ownership is highly concentrated. For example, an MIT study found that the just 11,000 investors held roughly 45% of Bitcoin's halving value. One of the consists of cryptocurrencies is that anyone can mine them using a computer with an internet connection. However, mining popular cryptocurrencies requires considerable energy, sometimes charges much energy as entire countries consumes. The expensive energy cost coupled with the unpredictability of mining have concerned mining among arc firms whose revenue running into the billions of dollars. According to a MIT study, 10% of miners account for 90% of its mining capacity. Though cryptocurrency blockchain are highly secure, other crypto repositories such as exchange and wallets can be hacked. Many cryptocurrency exchange and wallets have been hacked over the years, sometimes resulting in millions of dollars worth of coins stolen. Big markets suffer from price volatility. Bitcoin has experienced a rapid surge and crashes in its value, climbing to as high as $17,738 in December 2017, before dropping to $7,575 in the following months. Some economists thus consider cryptocurrencies to be a short-lived fad or speculative bubble. So that's all for today. Please subscribe my channel and like, comment and share this video.